guys, come along. We're gonna go check into our room here at Boulder Ridge, the DVC property, just adjacent to the Wilderness Lodge. Let's head on up and check out the room, guys. Pretty rustic and small interior lobby here at Boulder Ridge. Everything's very wood carved. Like I said, very rustic feel. Lovely smell. Now we are, like I said, over the Boulder Ridge side. Boulder Ridge being one of the newer areas that has been built. There is the pool just outside there, and what you're looking out there is Bay Lake, which attaches just over here to Fort Wilderness to your right, and around the corner is the Contemporary. So this is the Deluxe studio here at Boulder Ridge at the Wilderness Lodge. So if you see, walking in, very, like I said, a lot of wood tones, a lot of browns, and it has on the floor here. It's not like it's like a laminate.
It's a vinyl laminate.
It does have a kitchenette, so it does have a mini fridge, coffee maker, microwave, toaster. If you want to make a quick breakfast before heading out into the parks. It does have some basic kitchen needs, can opener. There'll also be some things up here.
Bottle opener for that bottle of wine you brought.
And we've got, here we go, a few things here. They usually provide a few disposable plates and dishes for you to make a quick meal on the go.
Yeah.
A little kitchen sink, a little small one, just enough to wash things out, wash out your resort mugs. There we go, illuminated. Now, if you guys had watched our video just recently of the boardwalk, this will look very familiar to you. It is almost the same layout, exactly, with the exception of the fact that this room does not have a balcony as the Deluxe studio over at the boardwalk. So, we'll look outside in just a second, but it does have one queen-size bed, a sleeper sofa.
That folds out.
Folds out, providing sleep for 2 more people. And then one hidden away trundle, and we'll demonstrate that in just a second, just to show you how that works.
Love these.
So it does sleep a total of 5, and it is just big enough, I think, for those of us who have families of 5. We'll go ahead and show you what the trundle looks like. All you do is pull away the chairs.
Being that it is a villa room, it does also happen to have a
DVD player.
DVD player.
Okay, there's a button you have to release here.
That's right.
Just hit the button. The table will fold.
Folds down and becomes the stand
Boom.
for the bed.
And our friend here for Boulder Ridge is Bambi. Bambi sleeping ever so
cute.
gently with her forest friends watching, not being the slightest bit creepy at all. So, it does, like I said, sleep 5, and if you've got 4, then one can have the couch and one can have the trundle bed.
Yes.
All right, so to show you what it looks like here in the closet, it does have an ironing board. It does have also the blankets and pillows and things to make up the sleeper sofa. I will point out to you guys, notice here, it has been sealed, and it has been sealed to show that it has been cleaned and disinfected, and it has not been tampered with since mousekeeping has been in here.
Yes.
The only way to get in here is to break the seal, and therefore I know no one's touched it since. It does have some hangers, and there should be, I believe, yes, a luggage rack in there as well. So the bathroom sink is open
Just
for
kind of
anyone to
cool.
use.
I love the faucet.
It's almost like a distinct water feature.
Yep.
And alongside the sink, of course, you've got to have your Disney H2O Plus materials. But you can tell also with the details here. For the lampshades,
Leather look.
and it is just very log cabin, northern feel to it overall. Wooden door. And again, we have toiletries provided, toilet, and just big enough shower for one to step into and get clean after a long day in the parks. Hey, look, how adorable. It's sort of like how you are after, you know, you've been in the Magic Kingdom all day and all you want is just a drop of water. Just a drop of water. But you can see it's a nice enough, large enough space room for, like I said, a family of 5 for us. Because this one does not have a balcony, but this particular view does have a very good view of the pool outside, the Boulder Ridge pool. We can see outside into the lake area, and you can also see the Boulder Ridge Villa cabins out there as well.
So
And
I would point out that we have a standard view that we booked, but it looks like we've been upgraded because I don't feel like this view is very standard.
that's a very nice view.
Yeah, pool view, the water.
And so one of these days, you see the rain is starting to come down again. So this area, one of these days, we will take you guys out to check out one of those cabin.
Yes.
Those would be nice as well. Thanks for watching, guys, our room tour of the Deluxe Studio here at Boulder Ridge, just adjacent to Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Hopefully it answered some of your questions of what the rooms look like if you ever want to stay here in the future for a Walt Disney World vacation. And if you ever have any questions about any of the resorts or need help in planning your next Walt Disney World vacation, reach out, let us know. We'd be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching again. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We want you to be a part of our ear-to-ear magic community. You guys have a great and magical night, and we'll see you guys in the